Are you facing an issue where your Assistive Touch bar is missing after resetting all settings or after the iOS 17 update? Don't panic. Here's the advanced guide on enabling the missing Assistive Touch bar after the update. So, let's get started. To do that, open Settings, scroll down, tap on Accessibility. After that, tap on Touch. Here, you can have the Assistive Touch option. Tap on it, and now turn it on, and your Assistive Touch will be visible. Now, if you still have issues, from this Assistive Touch, tap Costumes, top level menu. Tap Reset. There you go. So, this is how you can solve this Assistive Touch missing problem. But still, if you have anything to ask, then please write them down in the comment section below. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.